Hi, my name is Eli Nia. I'm president of Mountain Movers Engineering.
I'm Michael Perizzo. I'm vice president of operations for Mountain Movers Engineering.
Mountain Movers is a design-build firm for retaining walls and specializes in earthwork, blasting, demolition.
If it's anything in the industry that needs something done with the earthwork and walls, we're your go-to company.
We're out here in Vista, California at our Soltaire project. Soltaire is a 12-acre site where we did all the earthwork, demo, blasting, and we installed about 30,000 square feet of retaining wall that we designed for the project.
So what was really good about this is as we designed the walls for this, we also helped with the elevations of different pads, how it would come along. It helped us utilize more land. So if we had a different type of wall, you would be back farther, and then you would lose footage on your pads. On this project, we used nothing but RCP products.
We decided to work with the idea of doing MSE walls, which we always prefer using RCP's Keystone product for. It's a good, robust system, and we love the look and how it goes together. Used a lot of Keystone standards, and this one also incorporated a lot of the planter units as well. We like working with RCP due to the quality of their products. Working with their team's great. Deliveries are flawless. Here at Mountain Movers, we've installed over 20 million square feet of segmental retaining walls and have never had a failure. RCP manufactures a perfect block.